Hi, so I just want to do a pretty quick unboxing of the ROG Harrier GT300 gaming mouse. So I just picked this guy up because I got a pretty killer deal on it. So here we go. Let's get that into focus. You know, a lot of DPI, sure. We have RGB. You know, can't have a game mouse in 2019 without RGB. So yeah, here's some more stuff on the back. And okay, so you can open up the mouse like this. Pretty standard mouse packaging, you know, also pretty nice because if you pick it up in the store, you can, you know, put your hand on. And it's pretty, you know, you can get a feel for it. So, okay, well, that's it. Now we need to actually make our way inside. So I'm gonna break the seal right over here. Okay, there we go. And it should come out just like this, okay? Beautiful. So we get a warranty, some warranty information in here, and then we have the actual mouse. You know, just a quick little criticism, I guess. Logitech is nice at doing this. They like wrap the cable around the box, so you know it's not all sort of bent like this and stuff, and you know, then it does this whole thing. But you know, it's okay. I mean, it's a pretty light cable, so that's good. So it will get into like normal shape pretty soon. And this is the actual mouse. And what? So I actually need to like tear the box. Oh, okay. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Yeah, just a quick little thing. You know how to use a mouse. You know, hopefully everyone knows how to do that at this point. But yeah, I just picked this guy up. It was pretty cheap. It weighs 98 grams, and it has a pretty similar profile than the Zoe EC2A, except that the hump is quite a bit more at the back, not more in the middle. So, first impressions, the buttons on the side, they're pretty good, pretty clicky. I would say that they are definitely better than my Zoe EC1A that I used to have, but they are not as good as my Logitech G502. So you have a DPI switch over here and a standard scroll wheel. It's pretty nice, you know. Yeah, you know, it's not a Logitech scroll wheel. Those are amazing, and I can't live with them anymore. So I'm gonna see if I'm gonna be running a 2-mouse setup. But yeah, that's the actual mouse. So I'm gonna just do a little bit more close-ups if it would focus. Let me try to get this to focus. Come on, boy. There we go. So you know, that's that. This is the side. Try to get you, you know, kind of a nice look. I will also link the website down below so you can take a look at all the specifications and the images. But yeah, you know, pretty solid mouse. Has an RGB logo and wheel right over here. But yeah, that's it. Just want to do a quick unboxing. I guess we could take a look at the USB. So they put a little cap on it for protection, I guess, and it's gold plated, which won't really do anything. But yeah, you know, I guess what's cool is that it does say Republic of Gamers right over here. So when you're at the back of your computer sorting your cables out, you know exactly which one's your mouse. So that's pretty nice. And then you just have a standard cable wrap, ROG branded, right over here. And that's it. That's it for the mouse. So, you know, leave me any questions down below. That's it. Have a nice day.